Right, hey Falcon fam, I just wanted to show you something real quick. Just going off this post right here, Samuel, and everyone that's on this thread. So something that I've come aware of because of my accountability partner. He showed me this incredible app called Forest. Stay focused, be present. So you can get it on the desktop version as an extension on Google Chrome, and also I recommend downloading it on your app store, Play Store, whatever it is. Now, what it does, this is what happens. So when you have the extension, let me just bring it up again. So I'm just going to go right click here. So obviously you want to just type in Forest Chrome extension, and then you should be able to download it or add it right here. So just click that one, and if you go to Google Chrome, obviously that's the best way to do it. I'm just going to go right here. You click it up here, and what happens is that you can, it coincides with time blocking. So I use this, and I also use Brain FM, and you can see this in the background as well. When I want to get into some really laser focused time block work session on Falcon content trading and making sure that I don't get distracted. Now, how I do this is this. Right here, when you go and obviously click it like I did before and click the wheel, the settings, it will come up with a blacklist and whitelist. Now, what you want to do is put the blacklist of the websites that you don't want to be distracted by when you're on your computer. So when you activate, say like you do a 60-minute session, 60-minute section, you won't be able to come onto these distraction URLs or websites. So like Gmail, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, whatever. Add the websites that you don't want to get on, and what will happen is that you won't be able to access it when you plant a tree. So that's really handy for staying focused, and therefore you won't be able to go into other things other than what you need to do in that task. So whitelists are obviously the opposite of that. These are the websites that you will be allowed to visit during your planting session. So Wikipedia, TradingView, Brain FM, whatever that is, right? So this is really handy. This is really, really handy. And obviously, you'll be able to see how many trees you planted, your success rate in terms of if you complete the plan, or if you delete it or you stop planting, you won't, you can't pause it. You can't pause a 60-minute session. You literally have to go and complete it at that time frame. Otherwise, if you stop it, then you kill the plant, you kill the tree, and then you get a minus in your overall percentage. So that's really cool. Something that I believe would help all of you guys in terms of which websites you want to have access to when you're on your desktop. Obviously, you can do it on your app. The app has a little bit more features and stats and things like that. But when you're on your desktop, this is obviously really really handy for making sure that you get the job done and you get those time blocking more efficient. All right, guys. So that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed that, and talk to you soon. Cheers.